going to be talking about tips and tricks for Facebook ads. This one's going to be specific to lawyer Facebook ads. And I'm just going to check that I'm streaming correctly on my Facebook group. Then I'm going to check that I'm streaming correctly on YouTube, and it looks like everything is working here. Okay, so if while I'm making this video and you're watching it live, of course, there will be a recording of it. But if you're watching it live and you want to comment on the video or ask me a question about lawyer Facebook ads, just drop a comment there in the feed. Okay, so basically I have 4 tips and tricks for lawyer Facebook ads. And the first one is that you just want to spy on your competitors. And the way you're going to do that, let me show you. Okay, you're going to go to the Facebook ads library. Okay, and that's www.facebook.com/ads/library. Okay, or you can just Google Facebook ad library. And then this allows you to see what other attorneys in your practice area, what kind of Facebook ads they're running. And I always like to get a good feel for what some of my competitors might be doing while I'm making my Facebook ads. So let me show you how to use the Facebook ad library to reverse engineer or spy on your competitors. Okay, the first thing you want to do where it says all categories, I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Where it says ad category, just select all ads. Okay. Now, let's imagine that you are a criminal lawyer. Something you can do is just start typing in criminal. Okay, and if you don't see here, you can click 11 more advertisers there, scroll up, and I'm just going to take a look at this Weinstein legal personal injury criminal defense attorney. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see Facebook is bringing up all of the ads that they are currently running. Make my screen a bit smaller just to try to fit everything in here. And you can see they're running some video ads. If you wanted to see what landing page they're sending this traffic to, because maybe you want to see how you might make your landing page, you can click See Ad Details. Okay, this is the ad. Now you see this Learn More button. Okay. So I'm going to click that Learn More button. And you can see the landing page that they're sending their traffic to. Okay, so that was the first tip for running lawyer Facebook ads. This is, of course, criminal lawyer Facebook ads, but it works in any practice area, bankruptcy, car accident, employment, what have you. Okay. Now let's get to tip number 2. And tip number 2 is optimize for mobile. Okay, Facebook ads, you have to realize Facebook happens on a cell phone. Very few people experience Facebook by going to their desktop computer and looking at Facebook. Let me just check the live stream here real quick. Okay, there's no comments. Most people experience Facebook on their cell phone, right? It's an application. It is a mobile application. Facebook is not a website. Facebook is a mobile application. Knowing that, you have to optimize your Facebook ad, your Facebook video, and your Facebook landing page for mobile. It has to be optimized to be experienced on a cell phone screen. So looking at this landing page on a giant web desktop computer isn't actually correct. What we should actually do is make it the size of a cell phone screen. Okay, and now you can see it. Let me just bring it over here. Hang on. I'm going to put it in the middle of my computer there, screen. This is what this ad landing page actually looks like, okay? And really, the only thing you're looking for in a landing page for a lawyer is the cell phone. Is the number highly visible? And here it is. This is clickable, meaning if someone got to this landing page and they're on their cell phone screen, they can just click to call and it will automatically call. So they're actually doing a good job in optimizing for mobile. If it were me, I would remove this search bar. Okay, you're sending, nobody who didn't want a criminal attorney would have clicked on this ad, and don't put anything above this phone number. All right, so just get rid of this search and you just have a phone number. You're optimizing for mobile. Of course, you can scroll down and it's kind of like they're optimizing for a consultation. You really just want to optimize for that cell phone. Why? Because they're looking at Facebook on their cell phone. They clicked to your landing page on their cell phone. They're holding the cell phone in their hand. Just make it easy and obvious for them to call. And then whoever calls needs to convert that phone call into a paying client, whoever answers that phone. Okay, so tip number 1 was spy on your competitors. Tip number 2, optimize for mobile. Optimize for a cell phone screen. Okay, then tip number 3 is optimize for brand building. Okay, look at this video. Look at this ad. I'm going to play the video. So we're closing your case today. And you can kind of see they're doing a little bit of a good job of optimizing for brand building, meaning here's the brand right here in the video. They were able to get that in there by letting the client hold a folder with their brand name on it. A better way that I optimize for brand building is this. Okay, this is